Alright, we're upstairs. Look at this. They got sheetrock going on everywhere. Pretty damn good job hanging, and I tell you what. I remember they used to put double. They always had two nails. I guess if you're screwing and gluing, it don't take as much. They didn't used to glue so much. Back in the day, they didn't glue at all. I can see my camera's not acting up. Maybe it was because I was using up too much. Good ceilings. I wonder if that's code, stuff like that. Huh. That's a lot of... This is a big old house. Starting to look like something now, isn't it, guys? If I get back here so I don't see the light coming in. Look at that. I mean, how the hell they get that? How the hell they get that? Is that all the sheetrock that long? Oh my God. That's 12 foot. That's 12 foot sheetrock. Oh my stars. You gotta be a man to hang that stuff, Jake. I mean, look at that. Look at that, some of those pieces right there. Good grief. I mean, look at the joint. They're doing a damn good job hanging sheetrock. Guys almost like to do it for a living. Look at all those studs involved right here. That's a stud masterpiece. I mean, all these studs, good grief. You got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just in case that wall needs some more support. That's funny. All right. I mean, they're moving right along, guys. We're looking good. And insulation is unpapered. I guess they put the plastic, I guess because the plastic's on the outside. See, they remember it, you know, it paper finish and they'd paper foil finish and they'd staple it here and here. Now they just cram it in there. Huh. How about that? So they're sealing it from the outside. Ah, that's got to be a big crew sheetrocking. Look at that immense situation there. Let's see if I can get it to come on now. There, I got this light to begin with. All right, let's see over here. Focus, camera. Alright, here's a big old ray turn. And here's your supply. So right there, they ain't cutting it by hand, they're cutting it with a Sawzall. So, 2 4-door. This is that's where that ductwork was right there. Bathroom, bedroom. If you come out here, you can see the neighborhood. Come out here and see what we got here. All right, there's our neighbors. We can spy on them from here. We're up higher than they are. That's a pretty good view. Whoever's got this room. Down there. Back there.